Ever wondered how the holy month of Ramadan is celebrated in a country as diverse as India? Ramadan, the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar, is a time of deep spiritual significance. In India, it adds another layer of richness to the country's vibrant cultural tapestry. During this holy month, Muslims across India embark on a spiritual journey. They fast from dawn till dusk, abstaining from earthly pleasures, and heighten their commitment to prayer. Charitable activities become a focal point, emphasizing the spirit of compassion and unity that Ramadan inspires. It is all about spirituality, individual growth and reflection. The pre-dawn meal, suhoor, fuels for the day ahead, while iftar, the meal that breaks the fast at dusk, is a family and community affair. Families, friends, neighbors come together, strengthening bonds over shared meals. The spirit of Ramadan truly transcends every corner of India, uniting people beyond linguistic and regional borders. This is the essence of Ramadan in India. The core of Ramadan is the fast, a ritual that begins with suhoor and concludes with iftar. This fasting period, from the break of dawn until the setting sun, is more than just a physical test. It's a spiritual journey that cultivates patience, humility, and self-discipline. As the first light of the dawn breaks, it is the time for suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. This is not a feast but a nourishing meal to sustain them through the day. Post-suhoor, the day-long fast begins, an exercise in self-discipline that goes beyond mere abstinence from food and drink. It also involves refraining from ill thoughts, harsh words, and unkind actions. This period of fasting cultivates a deep sense of empathy for those less fortunate, fostering an understanding of what it feels like to go without. It's a time for spiritual introspection, a time to focus on prayer and contemplation, and a time to grow closer to the divine. As the sun sets, families and communities come together to break their fast with iftar. This evening meal is a time of joy and gratitude. It often begins with dates and water, following the Prophet Muhammad's tradition, and continues with a range of traditional meals varying across different regions of India. Beyond the dining tables, the community and social spirit of Ramadan is vividly seen. The Taraweeh prayers, special nightly prayers held throughout Ramadan, draw people to the mosques in large numbers. These congregational prayers, conducted post the Isha prayer, are a time of profound spiritual connection and community bonding. They are a testament to the unity and harmony fostered during this holy month. Ramadan is not just about the physical act of fasting, it's about the spiritual journey that each individual undertakes, the personal growth they experience, and the bonds they strengthen. It's about understanding the true essence of patience, empathy, and gratitude. The fast is not just about abstaining from food and drink, but it's a time for spiritual reflection and prayer. Ramadan is also a time of giving, a time of unity and compassion. This profound sentiment is deeply ingrained in the ethos of Ramadan, as it is a period that emphasizes charity and community. Zakat and Sadaqah, two fundamental pillars of Islam, hold significant importance during this holy month. Zakat, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, is a mandatory act of charity, a wealth purifier that requires Muslims to donate a fixed portion of their income to the needy. Sadaqah, on the other hand, is a voluntary act of charity, a benevolent ripple that extends beyond monetary contributions. In the generous spirit of Ramadan, Indian Muslims actively engage in these charitable practices, infusing their communities with a sense of unity and compassion. This is wonderfully demonstrated through the community iftars hosted for those less fortunate. Imagine, as the sun dips beneath the horizon, a long table laden with a variety of mouth-watering dishes, surrounded by people from all walks of life. The air hums with anticipation and camaraderie, and as the call to prayer resonates, everyone breaks their fast together, sharing not just food, but also a moment of collective gratitude and togetherness. These community iftars are not just about providing sustenance for the body, but also about fostering a sense of unity and harmony. They serve as a beautiful reminder that Ramadan is not just about personal growth and spiritual introspection, but also about extending your hand to others, about sharing, caring, and giving. In India, numerous groups and individuals go above and beyond to ensure that no one is left out during this time of togetherness. From distributing food packets to organizing massive iftar gatherings, these acts of charity are a testament to the unity and compassion that Ramadan inspires. As we journey through the holy month, these acts of kindness and generosity weave a tapestry of cultural spirit that lights up the entire country. The spirit of compassion and unity is truly palpable during Ramadan. It's a time when we realize that we are all thread in the same tapestry, interconnected and interdependent. And it's this realization that adds an extra dash of warmth and color to the Ramadan celebrations in India. The spirit of compassion and unity is truly palpable during Ramadan. In India, Ramadan is a tapestry of varied cultural traditions, each unique yet harmoniously blending with the other. As Ramadan's spirit pervades every corner of India, it paints a vivid picture of the country's cultural diversity. Each region, each city, each neighborhood resonates with its unique Ramadan rituals, creating a symphony of traditions that echo the spirit of unity and harmony. In the historic city of Hyderabad, the renowned Charminar neighborhood comes alive in the holy month. Bustling markets brim with eager shoppers, and street food booths serve an array of gastronomic delights. The aroma of halim, a slow-cooked delicacy, wafts through the air, enticing the senses. As the sun sets, families and friends gather to break their fast, sharing not just the food, but also stories, laughter, and the warmth of togetherness. Over 1,000 kilometers north, in the heart of the capital, Delhi, the historic Jama Masjid holds one of the country's largest iftar gatherings. People from all walks of life converge here, transcending social, economic, and religious divides. The vast courtyard of the mosque transforms into a giant dining hall where thousands break their fast together, symbolizing unity in diversity. The gastronomic feasts during iftar are a spectacle in themselves, especially in regions known for their culinary expertise, such as Hyderabad and Lucknow. Iftar spreads here are a gastronomic feast comprising a delectable assortment of delicacies ranging from Hyderabadi biryani to Awadhi kebabs. These mouth-watering feasts not only pay homage to the region's rich culinary tradition, but also serve as a symbol of unity and inclusivity. These celebrations, these rituals, these feasts are not just about the festival. They are a testament to India's unity in diversity. They bring together people from all walks of life, transcending linguistic, regional, and religious barriers to share, to celebrate, to enjoy the festivities. They exemplify the spirit of Ramadan, a spirit of unity, of harmony, of togetherness. These celebrations are not just about the festival, but they also serve as a testament to India's unity in diversity, bringing together people from all walks of life to enjoy the festivities. Ramadan in India is not only a religious observance, but also a celebration of the country's multicultural culture. It is a time when people of all religions gather to honor the spirit of unity and harmony. Community iftars are conducted in cities like as Mumbai and Kolkata, when people of diverse religious backgrounds break the fast with their Muslim brothers and sisters. This wonderful practice promotes the sense of camaraderie and mutual respect. One of the defining features of Ramadan in India is the bustling bazaars that come alive in the evenings, selling a variety of foods and holiday goodies. From classic sweets like sheer kurma to savory treats like samosas and kebabs, these markets elicit a sensual delight, tempting both Muslims and non-Muslims to revel in the spirit of the season. One of the highlights of Ramadan in India is the abundance of traditional foods made during this period. From Hyderabad's rich and aromatic biryanis to Lucknow's mouth-watering kebabs, each region has its own specialties. During Ramadan, sweets such as sheer kurma, vermicelli pudding, and firni, rice pudding, are popular. Eid-ul-Fitr, the day that marks the end of Ramadan, is celebrated with tremendous passion and zeal throughout India. It starts with the viewing of the new moon, followed by special prayers at mosques and the exchanging of presents and greetings among family and friends. Ramadan in India is a time for spiritual refreshment, cultural celebration, and happiness. It serves as a reminder of the basic ideals of the Islamic faith, which include compassion, generosity, and unity. This endorses India's cultural variety and pluralism.